The backlighting and volume is adjustable per the liking of the operator on the 6100. The intensity of the LCD backlighting and volume of the speaker is controlled within the utility soft switch pane, which you may need to navigate to using the navigation stick. You will notice when adjusting the volume of the speaker, a sound will play to show how loud or soft the setting is. The backlight button adjusts the backlighting of the operator interface, as well as near the joysticks and switches. The volume can have a minimum volume level that is set within calibration by your supervisor. The minimum volume makes sure to not inadvertently silence a critical alarm like oil level, oil temperature, or body up. For example, in calibration, different functions may be configured as different alarms. This includes single beeps, continuous beeping, and steady tone. To review, you can adjust the backlighting of the LCD, joysticks, and switches. The volume of the speaker can be adjusted, as well as the type of tones used for specific functions.